Hello guys, welcome back to FinTech Space. Thank you so much for the subscribers, and also if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so before you continue with this video. Thank you so much. All right, in this video I want to take you through how you can purchase Tone on Bybit, how you can trade USDT for Bybit for Tone on Bybit Tone, the open network. So all right guys, you know there have been a lot of projects trying to launch on the Tone network, and also you need Tone to be able to run some transactions on the decentralized exchanges. Do you get that? So all right, very quickly, so I'm on Bybit. So if you're not yet having a Bybit account, you have the link in the description below. Kindly register on Bybit, install the app, and also do your verification. So okay, now I'm going to click on assets. I'm going to click on assets just as you have it down here. So click on assets. So, and mind you, I already have USDT that I want to use to purchase the Tone. So click on assets, just as I've said earlier, then click on unified trading. So that means your USDT must be inside this unified trading. Do you get that? So maybe if you have your USDT in your funding, that means you have to transfer it from funding to unified trading. Just move it. Do you get it? Or if you have it in the inverse derivative, just move it into the unified trading. Do you get that? So now click on unified trading, because that is where you can trade. So click on that. So now I already have USDT here that I want to make use of. So now click on the USDT that you want to trade for Tone. Do you get that? So click on that. So okay, now so this is what I have in the USDT. So now what do I want to do? I want to trade against Tone. So now let's go back again. You go and search for Tone. So click on the search icon here. As you click on the search icon, type in Tone, T-O-N. So now you have Tone here. Do you get that? So click on that. So once you click on that, so click on, you are going to see this Tone against USDT. So you know you are trying to convert your USDT to Tone network. Do you get it? So that means you are going to be trading Tone against USDT. So now click on Tone against USDT. So now you are on the interface for you to actually trade your USDT. So it is your USDT that you actually want to trade. So in this case, you will not be on sell because you are not selling Tone. So you are going to click on buy. Do you get that? So click on buy, so it will change it to buy for you. All right, so now do you want to buy? Currently Tone is trading at 5.312 USD. Do you get that? So, and as you can see in my wallet, that this is what I have here. Do you get that? So now I want to see how I can purchase Tone with what I have. So I want to purchase everything, so I can decide that I want to purchase everything with what I have. So but before that, you can see here you have limits. Limit is used, so you can see we have limit here already. So but we use limit when you are not selling right away, you want the price movement to come to that set price. Do you get that? Either a lower price or a higher price, depending on whether you are buying or selling. But in this case, I want to sell instantly and forget. So now what you're going to do, click on this drop down icon you have here. So once you click on it, you're going to see market. So click on market. Click on market. So once you click on market, that means you want to sell at the current market price. Do you get that? So now just is either you type in the amount that you want to buy here, or you drag these toggle buttons, you drag it. Do you get that? So is either you type in okay $6, or you drag this button. Do you get it? So and it will buy for you. It's already showing me the maximum that I can buy with what I have, which is 1.85 Tone. Do you get that? So click on, I want to buy everything with what I have. So I'm just going to click on everything. I've dragged the button to the 100%. So I'm going to click on buy Tone to buy what I want to buy. So yes, buy Tone. Okay, that is perfect. So now let's go back to our assets to see that we have Tone here already. So mind you, we started from unified trading. So click on that. So definitely you can find Tone here right now. So let me, and so you can see here I already have Tone in my account. 1.85 ton. Just as simple as that. There's no big deal about that. And I believe you've been able to understand how you can purchase ton yourself, how you can trade USDT or ton on Bybit. And also it applies to other exchanges. It's still the same procedure, still the same protocol. Do you get that? If you enjoyed this video, kindly give us a thumbs up, drop your comment in the comment section below, and also share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do that. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye for now.